शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। Before we proceed, there are some corrections or clarifications on page number 23. Page number 23. Mantra number 4. Bhashya, second line from top. इंद्रिय अपेक्षया अंतस्थत्वान् मनसस्तद्वासना रूपा च, not न, it should be च स्वप्ने प्रज्ञा यस्य इति अंतःप्रज्ञः। सो इंद्रिय अपेक्षया अंतस्थत्वात्, compared to indriya, mind is inner, and that vasanas which are residing in mind, tad vasana rupa prajna. In swapna, the samskaras of mind express, so tad vasana rupa cha swapne prajna yasya iti antah prajnah. So this is one correction. Those who just came, page 23, second line in Bhashya from top, instead of na, so vasana rupa cha swapne prajna yasya. Thank you for pointing out. Kailash Ashram book has this error. Other ashrams, okay, maybe it was not there in my book, so I made that correction. Second is in Tika, some clarification. In the middle, same page, in the middle of that Tika, swapnabhimaninas tejo vikaratva bhavat kutas taijasatvam. This is the question. तेजो विकारत्वाभावात् कुतस्तैजसत्वम्. The question is, if it is consciousness, then it has already been stated that Taijasa takes only part of the gross experience as impulse. Therefore, the modification of consciousness of gross perception Vishwasya Bahyendriya Janya Prajnaya to be the holder of subtle perception. So let me just clarify what that is. स्वप्नाभिमानिनः तेजो विकारत्व अभावात्. स्वप्न अभिमानी means this antaprajna. He is tejo vikaratva abhavat. He is not modification of Taijasa. Taijasa, so he is not actually modification of pure consciousness, Shuddha Chaitanya. This is modification of reflected consciousness. That is Swapna Abhimani. See, Swapna Abhimani and Swapna Drashta, they are two. Swapna Drashta is the illuminator, Sakshi. Swapna Abhimani is the one who feels, I am the experiencer. So, Tejo Vikartva Kutas Taijasatvam Ityashankyaha, in Bhashya it is said, second line, Vishaya Shunyayam Prajnayam Keval Prakasha Swarupayam Vishayitvena Bhavati Iti Taijasaha. There is no external Vishaya. Vishaya Shunya Prajna, that Keval Prakasha Rupa Prajna Vishayitvena Bhavati. When that appears as Vishayi, so there is no other Vishaya, and this Prajna without any external Vishaya becomes Vishayi, means it becomes Vishaya and Vishayi both. External Vishaya is not there, but Swapna Anubhava is there. So this Prajna alone becomes both. Experiencer also, experienced also. That is this Taijasa. Vishwa has a Vishaya, Sthula Vishaya. Taijasa does not have Sthula Vishaya, so Sukshma Vishaya, that's why Pravivikta. Pramata also becomes this Prajna, Prameya also becomes this Prajna, and Anubhava is there. So Vasana Matra is experienced in Swapna. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now we come back to Karika 11, page number 55. Page number 55. Tika. Vishwadishu. Introduction to 11th Karika. Vishwadishu avantar vishesha nirupana dvarena turiyam eva nirdharayati. Now, in Vishwa Taijasa Prajna, there is avantar vishesha nirupana. In them there is some common feature and there is some different feature. So there is sadharmya and vaidharmya, similarity and contradiction. Vishwadishu avantar vishesha. So avantar means interior differences or internal differences between Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna. And by this analysis, what actually we want to conclude is what is Turiya. Turiyam eva nirdharayati. Karya karana baddhauta vishyete Vishwa Taijasau Prajna karana baddhastu द्वौ तौ तुर्येन सिद्ध्यतः. कार्यकारणबद्धौता विश्येते विश्वतैजसौ प्राज्ञः कारणबद्धस्तु द्वौ तौ तुर्येन सिद्ध्यतः. विश्वतैजसौ तौ विश्वतैजसौ कार्यकारणबद्धौ इष्यते. Those two, Vishwa and Taijasa, they are Karya and Karana Baddha. They are bound by Karya and Karana, both. Cause and effect. What is cause and what is effect, we don't know. He just said they are Karya Karana Baddha. Prajna tu Karana Baddha. Prajna is only Karana Baddha. Prajna is conditioned. Baddha means bound or conditioned by Karana Upadhi. Dvau tau turye na siddhyataha. Tau dvau karya karanau turye na siddhyataha. In turiya or turya, karya and karana both are not there. Na siddhyataha. In other words, it doesn't have Karana Upadhi also, it doesn't have Karya Upadhi also. It is free from both. Tika. Shlokasya tatparyam aha. Bhashya. Vishwadinam samanya vishesha bhavo nirupyate. Of Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna, Samanya and Vishesha. What is Samanya in all the three? This is called Sadharmya. What is Vishesha? Means which is Vaidharmya. What is the difference? What is the similarity and what is the difference between Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna? Nirupyate is being described. For what? What is the purpose? Turiya yathatmya avadharanartham. Turiyasya yathatmyasya avadharanartham. For recognizing the actual meaning of Turiya. Means to distinctly know Turiya from Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna. So the Karika tells you very clearly, where both Karya and Karana, both Bandhana are there, it is Vishwa and Taijasa. Where only Karana Upadhi is there, it is Prajna. When no such thing is there, it is Turiya. So I can see Turiya separately, distinctly from the other two. Tika. Vishwa Taijasayoho ubhayabadhatvam samanyam. Prajnasya karanamatrabadhatvam visheshaha. Vishwa Taijasa of these two, Vishwa Taijasayoho ubhayabadhatvam. They are bound by both. Karyena baddhatvam, karanena api baddhatvam. उभयबद्धत्वं सामान्यम, दिस इज कॉमन. प्राज्ञस्य कारणमात्रबद्धत्वं, प्राज्ञ इज ओनली कारणबद्ध विशेषः. दिस इज द डिस्टिंक्शन. अथ इदं निरूपणं कुत्र उपयुज्यते तत्राह. This kind of analysis, nirupanam, where it is useful, kutra upayujyate. It is said in turiya yathatmya avadharanartham. In turiya yathatma avadharanam, it will be useful. Bhashya कार्यम क्रियते इति फलिभावः. कार्यम क्रियते, so something that happens, that is where whatever happens is the phalam, is a result, means what actually ends up happening is the result. Karanam karoti iti bij bhava. And karana is the one which actually does something, because it is already there before karyam. So where things are happening is karanam. What happens is karyam. Karanam karoti iti, the one which does something, that is a bija bhava. So now you have bija, phala. So earlier he said कार्य कारण. Now Bhashyakar says bija phala. One is seed, another is sprout, phalam, or fruit, whatever. Iti bija bhava. टीका. प्राज्ञस्य कारण मात्र बद्धत्वं साधयति. प्राज्ञ is कारण मात्र बद्ध. प्राज्ञ is bound only by कारण. कारण मात्र बद्धत्व साधयति. इन भाष्य तत्व ग्रहण अन्यथा ग्रहणाभ्याम बीज फल भावाभ्याम तौ यथोक्तौ विश्वतैजसौ बद्धौ संगृहीता विष्यते. Another terms he uses, tattva grahana, anyatha grahana. So karya karana, phala bhava, bija bhava. Karya is tattva agrahana and anyatha grahana. Karana is only tattva agrahana. Tattva agrahana anyatha grahanabhyam बीज फल भावाभ्याम. You have to remember, tattva agrahana is bija. Anyatha grahana requires tattva agrahana before. Only when there is tattva agrahana, there will be anyatha grahana. In the same way, phala is there means bija is already there. Karya is there means karana is already there. So this you should note. बीज फल भावाभ्याम तौ यथोक्तौ विश्वतैजसौ बद्धौ संगृहीतौ इष्यते. So Vishwa and Tejas, they have both tattva agrahana and anyatha agrahana. Bija bhava, phala bhava, everything is there. Karya is there, karana is there. So tattva agrahana and anyatha agrahana means not recognizing the truth as is. This is called tattva agrahana in any situation. Anyatha agrahana is taking it to be something else. Whatever we can give, see, Rajju Sarpa Drashtanta and Shukti Rajat Drashtanta, they are simple things. But you have to understand in life also. Somebody is trying to tell you something. Not listening to it, not understanding is one. Understanding it differently, opposite way, is another. So then lot of conflicts happen because of such things. Why? Because there is agrahana and anyatha grahana. So then there is no communication possible in such situations. So this itself is otherwise translated as avidya and adhyasa. One is avidya, not knowing, and then adhyasa, taking it to be something else, something different. विश्वतैजसौ बद्धौ संगृहीता विष्यते. प्राज्ञस्तु बीज भावेनैव बद्धः. Prajna is बीज भावेनैव बद्धः, is bound only by बीज bhava. Actually that tika now we have to use that line, prajnasya karana matra baddhatvam sadhayati is now. So prajna is only bij bhavena, means karana bhavena baddha. Why? Tattva pratibodha matram eva hi bijam prajnatve nimittam. Tattva apradibodha matram eva hi bijam. In prajna, what is the bijam? Tattva apratibodha, not knowing. So in Sushupti, I don't have any other problems because karya is not there. I sleep happily. When I wake up, all problems begin then. Tattva pratibodha matram eva hi bijam prajnatve nimittam. Tika. त्रयाणाम अवांतर विशेषे स्थिते प्रकृते तुरीये किम आयातम इत्याशंक्या. त्रयाणाम अवांतर विशेषे स्थिते, the Vishwatejasa Prajna of these three, there are inner differences. Avantar Visheshe Sthite Prakrite, in the current topic of Turiya recognition, Prakrite Turiye Kim Ayatam. What does it have to do with Turiya? भाष्य. ततो द्वौ तौ बीज फल भावौ तत्वाग्रहण अन्यथा ग्रहणे तुर्ये न सिद्ध्यतो न विद्येते न संभवत इत्यर्थः. ततः द्वौ तौ, these two, बीज फल भावौ, कार्य and कारण, or कारण and कार्य, बीज and फल. तत्व अग्रहण अन्यथा ग्रहण, both of them. तत्व अग्रहणं च अन्यथा ग्रहणं च तत्वाग्रहणान्यथा ग्रहणे तुर्ये न सिद्ध्यतः. In Turya, their siddhi is not there, means their existence is not there, means they are not there. न विद्येते न संभवत, and they are not possible इत्यर्थः. टीका. न संभवत, for that तयोः तस्मिन् विद्यमानत्वं चिदेकताने तयोर निरूपयितुम् अशक्यत्वात् इत्याह. In चैतन्य एकमात्र रस चिद एकताने, that which is तुरियम त्रिषु संततम, that which is chaitanya matra, तयोः तस्मिन् अविद्यमानत्वं, तयोः तत्वाग्रहण अन्यथा ग्रहणयोः, कार्य कारणयोः, बीज फल भावयोः तस्मिन् अविद्यमानत्वं, it is they are not there, and therefore their nirupanam is not possible in chaitanya. So na sambhavatah ityarthah. Prajnasya karanabadhatvam sadhayati. Now, prajna is karanabadha. Why do you say that? Maybe prajna is also free, like turiya. Vishwa Taijasa, I see experiences. I have experiences, so I can understand. Prajna, there is nothing. Turiya also sounds like that only. Maybe they are same. So he says no. Natmananna paranschaiva. न सत्यम नापि चानृतम प्राज्ञः किंचन संवेत्ति तुर्यं तत्सर्वदृक् सदा। नात्मानं न परांश्चैव न सत्यं नापि चानृतं प्राज्ञः किंचन संवेत्ति तुर्यं तत्सर्वदृक् सदा। 1 number टिप्पणी ततो in that in the previous karika ततः कार्य कारण असंसृष्टत्वात् तुरीये संसर्ग योग्य सजातीय अभावात् इति वा अर्थः। ततः means therefore means for what reason? Because turiya is कार्य कारण असंसृष्ट, untouched by कार्य और कारण, कार्य कारण असंसृष्टत्वात् तुरीये संसर्ग योग्य सजातीय अभावात्। For a sansarga, for something to come in contact, it has to exist in the same plane of existence, samasattakatvam. So, turiye sansarga yogya sajatiya abhavat. There is no sajatiya. And therefore, this conflict will come. संसर्ग योग्य सजातीय अभावात्। So nothing can touch turiya. Therefore, neither karya nor karanam. So there is no such sajatiya vastu. Now this next karika, 12th. प्राज्ञः न आत्मानं संवेत्ति न परांश्चैव संवेत्ति न सत्यं किंचन संवेत्ति नापि च अनृतं किंचन संवेत्ति। Prajna doesn't know itself. न आत्मानं संवेत्ति means जानति. Prajna doesn't know itself. Prajna doesn't know others. Na paranschaiva. Na satyam samveti. Prajna doesn't know what is satya. It means vyavaharik satya. Napi cha andritam. It doesn't know what is vyavaharik andrita. Means Prajna doesn't know whether today is Sunday or not. Prajna doesn't know if there is a rope or snake. Neither it understands as rope nor it understands as snake. So it doesn't know either of those things. Nothing. It doesn't know itself, it doesn't know anything else also, other vishayas. Na atmanam na paranschaiva na satyam napi cha andritam prajnah kinchana samvetti. One sentence. Turyam tat sada sarvadrik. On the other hand, Turiya knows all this. It knows itself. It knows everything else. It knows itself means you have to, I will explain that part. It knows everything else. It knows what is Satyam, Vyavaharik Satyam, because it illumines Vyavaharik Satyam. It also illumines Vyavaharik Mithya. Everything. Vyavaharik Mithya means Pratibhasik. So it illumines all. Sarvadrik. Or right and wrong. Satya, Satyam you can take what is right, what is. Turiya, right and wrong means it illumines everything. It is avabhasaka. Tika. तुरीयस्य कार्यकारणाभ्याम असंस्पृष्टत्वं स्पष्टयति. Turiya, what was said in Tika earlier, Tippani, 1 number, that Turiya is untouched by Karya Karana. That is made clear further. Karya Karanabhyam asamsprishtatvam spashtayati. That makes it clear. Turiyam tatsarva drik sada. That is connected to the Karika itself. Now, connecting to Bhashya. Shloka Vyavartyam Ashankam Aha. Shloka Vyavartyam Ashankam. That, what is the meaning of this Shloka Vyavartyam Ashankam? Aha. You can try. Huh? No. See, Shloka has come to remove some doubt. What is that doubt? That is said in Bhashya. Shlokena Vyavartya Ya Shanka Tam Shankam Aha. Shlokena Ya Shanka Vyavartyate. The shloka is going to remove some doubt. Shloka is throwing light on something so that some doubt will go away. What is that doubt? This is the doubt. What is that? Katham punaha karanabadhatvam prajnasya turiyeva tattva grahananyatha grahana lakshana bandhav na siddhyata. This is the question. Why this would happen? In response to that is the karika. So you will find always, mostly in Bhashya, before shloka, some such thing, Bhashyakar, or in other text also you can see if there is some such tika, in Panchadashi, etc., in Naishkarmya Siddhi. They will give this sambandha. What is this sambandha? It is this. In Upanishad Bhashya also, like in Kathopanishad, for example, Paranchi Khani Vyatranat Swayambhu, that mantra is there. Just before that, a question will be put. Because why this mantra has come is Kah Punah Pratibandhaha. What is the obstacle? Because of which the horses are running outward. The chariot is not under control. What is the pratibandha? Is a pratibandha is because indriyas are extrovert. Then the mantra comes. So then you say, oh, so this mantra is in connection with this question, what is the pratibandha? So like that here, there is some shanka, nivaranam of that is done by this shloka. This is called akanksha. Some expectation is there, that I have a doubt. answer to that doubt is the shloka. So the commentators, their job is to find out what is being answered by this question. So that is this line. Katham punaha karanabadhatvam prajnasya, because in the previous shloka you said prajna is only karanabadha and turiya is not baddha. You say why prajna is karanabadha and turiya bandhav na siddhyataha. In turiya both bandhas are not there. Why? So the answer is because prajna has ajnanam, because it doesn't know itself, it doesn't know anything else, it doesn't know vyavaharik satyam, it doesn't know vyavaharik mithyatvam. This is called not knowing, ajnanam. This is the karana avastha. So prajna is karanabadha. This is established from this shloka. And turiya is knowing everything. So there is no ajnanam also. There is no agrahanam. There is no anyatha grahanam. It knows things as is. So there is no agrahana, there is no anyatha grahana. So you see, in this light, now you see the question. Katham punaha karanabadhatvam prajnasya, explained. Turiye va tattva agrahana anyatha agrahana lakshano bandhav na siddhyatah. That is explained. So the shloka has come to answer this question. This is called, and the Tikakar's job is shloka vyavartyam ashankam aha. Shlokena ya shanka vyavartyate, if explanation is given. Samasa vigraha will be shlokena vyavartya shanka tam shankam aha. So that is given here. Kathamiti. Further now. Va shabdat katham ityasya anuvrittihi suchyate. Va shabda is talking about katham shabdasya anuvritti. Means how you will have to read katham punaha karanabadhatvam prajnasya turiye katham tattva agrahana anyatha grahana lakshano bandhav na siddhyata. So katham is both. Asking a question for prajna also, asking a question for turiya also. Further in Tika. Prathama chodyottaratvena padatrayam vyachaste. The first three padas are to answer the first prashna. Chodya means prashna. Prathama chodyottaratvena padatrayam vyachaste. Yasmat. Yasmad atma vilakshanam avidya bija prasutam bahyam dvaitam prajnyo na kinchana samveti yatha vishwataijasau. Yasmat atma vilakshanam avidya bija prasutam. Yasmat, since atma vilakshanam, different from atma, avidya bija prasutam bahyam dvaitam prajneha na kinchana samveti. Other than one's own, atma vilakshanam, other than one's own self, because of arising because of avidya. Avidya means atma avidya. Avidya bija prasutam, born from the seed of ignorance, bahyam dvaitam. Prajna na kinchana samveti. Prajna does not know any of that. How? Yatha vishwataijasau. Yatha vishwataijasau. Actually, it is in third number tippani. number tippani is there. No, actually Tika will explain it. Right word is coming later. Vaidharmya. This is the Vaidharmya Drishtanta. Means unlike Vishwataijasa, just as Vishwataijasa have the knowledge of external Dvaitam, erroneous. So it is avidya is also there and knowledge of external Dvaitam is also there. Prajna is unlike Vishwataijasa. Prajnyo na kinchana samveti. Tika. Vilakshanam anatmanam iti yavat. Atma vilakshana means anatma. In that way it is taken. Vilakshanam anatmanam. Other than one's own self. Andratam ityasya vyakhyanam avidya bija prasutam iti. Andratam means what is arising from avidya. So what is as is and what is because of avidya. Prajna doesn't know any of this. This distinction is not known to Prajna. Andratam ityasya vyakhyanam avidya bija prasutam iti. So there in Bhashya it is given avidya bija prasutam bahyam dvaitam. Dvaitam dvitiyam asatyam ityartha. Dvaitam dvitiyam means the second one, which is asatyam. Tippani vyavaharik satyatvam iti yavat. Satyam iti eva va patha. So here satyam is taken as paramarthika and asatyam is vyavaharika satyam, because as for asatyam tippanikar gave vyavaharik satyam. So Prajna doesn't know what is absolute reality, what is transactional reality. Actually Prajna doesn't know anything. He doesn't know what is vyavaharik satyam also. He doesn't know what is pratibhasik. That way also you can take. And of course he doesn't know what is paramarthika. Vaidharmya udaharana. So Vaidharmya udaharana is this. Yatha Vishwataijasa. Means just as Vishwataijasa also doesn't know paramarthika. Remember. When Ajnanam is there, Ajnana Karya is there, then Vishwataijasa also do not know Paramarthika. Na Satyam, na api cha Andratam. They know Vyavaharik Satyam and they know what is Pratibhasika Satyam at that time. Vishwa only, not even Taijasa. But everything is under Avidya at that time. Further in Tika, Prajnasya vibhag vijnana bhave phalamaha. Prajnasya vibhag vijnana. This distinction, division of knowledge is not there. Vibhag vijnana abhave. And therefore what happens? Bhashya. Tatascha asau tattva grahanena tamasa anyatha grahana bijbhutena baddho bhavati. Therefore, what happens? It becomes bound by tattva grahana tamasa anyatha grahana bijbhutena. By the tamoguna. Anyatha grahana bijbhutena baddho bhavati. In Tippani, second number, Ukta Vibhaga Jnana Abhavat. Tatah means only because of the lack of this distinction, lack of not knowing what is Satyam, what is Anritam, what is Atma, what is Para, means Anatma, means what is I, what is El. Nothing is known. And therefore, Tattva Agrahanena Tamasa Anyatha Grahana Bijbhutena Baddha. Because of Tattva Grahana, not knowing the truth by the Ajnanam, Anyatha Grahana Bijbhutena Baddha. By the Anyatha Grahana Bija is Baddha, Baddho Bhavati. Anyatha Grahana, not Anyatha Agrahana. Anyatha Grahana. In 5 number tippani now. First you see that tika. Yathokte tamasi karya lingakam anumanam suchayati. So now there is one that there is ajnanam. In that there is anumanam. Ajnanam is there, some anumanam is required. So karya lingakam anumanam suchayati. Anyatha grahanam is paksha. Atmatirikta bhavopadanakam is what? Sadhya. Atmatirikta bhavopadanakam. Full thing is sadhya. What is the hetu? You all know where I am reading or no? Bhavakaryatvam. Bhavakaryatvam is the hetu. Ghatadi is the drashtanta. Iti evam vidham anumanam ityartha. So anyatha grahanam is atma atirikta bhava upadanakam. Anyatha grahanam means it will recognize. Upadanakam here means it recognizes, it grasps what? Atma atirikta, other than Atma, whatever is bhava rupa vastu, that it will recognize. Atma atirikta bhavopadanakam. Bhava karyatvat. So what will be the vyapti? What will be the vyapti? Vyapti is yatra yatra hetu tatra tatra sadhyam. Yatra yatra bhava karyatvam tatra tatra atmatirikta bhavopadanakam. Wherever there is bhava karya, it is all atma atirikta. It is all different from atma. And it is bhava rupa entity, that which is recognized, grasped. Bhavopadanakam. Like ghata. Ghata is bhava rupa and karya. Bhava rupatve sati karyatvam. It is not a bhava rupa. And it is a karya, it is an effect. So, in drashtanta, hetu is there. Now in drashtanta, sadhya is there or not, we have to check. So, ghata is atmatirikta. Yes? Can you hear me or I don't know. Yes. Ghata is Atmatirikta. And it is Bhava Rupa. And it is grasped. So Atmatirikta Bhava Upadanakatvam will come in Ghatadi. So Paksha is in Drashtanta, Hetu is there, Sadhya is there. Vyapti is present in Drashtanta. So Drashtanta is valid example, valid Drashtanta, Sad Drashtanta. Now in Paksha, Anyatha Grahanam is Bhavakaryam or not. So in Paksha you have to see Hetu first. So Anyatha Grahanam is Bhavakaryam. Bhavakaryam means whenever there is Anyatha Grahanam, whenever I recognize something erroneously, it will be always effect. Effect means Ajnana Karyam. It will be effect of ignorance. And it will be some Bhava Rupa Vastu. Anyatha Grahanam. So Bhava Karyatvam is there in Paksha. And therefore in Sadhya also, in Paksha, Sadhya also will be there. So Anyatha Grahanam also will have Atma Atirikta Bhava Padanakam. So whenever there is Anyatha Grahanam, is product of something other than Atma. The Anyatha Grahanam is there. So here the Anumanam that is done, Yathokte Tamasi Karya Lingakam Anumanam Sucheti. In Tika, what is said? Because there is Tamaha, there will be Anyatha Grahana Bija. So Ajnanam is there. How do you say Ajnanam is there? Because there is Anyatha Grahanam. Anyatha Grahanam is not possible without Agrahanam. So Agrahanam is the bija for Anyatha Grahana. Tamasa, then what is Tamaha? Anyatha Grahana bija bhutena. Anyatha Grahanam Atmatirikta Bhavopadanakam Bhavakaryatvat Ghatadivat iti evam vidam Anumanam ityartha. Without Anumanam also, if you can understand that if I am, Anumanam will help. What is that? If I am seeing something erroneously, there is some ignorance of the substratum, because of which I am seeing the effect erroneously. So ignorance has to be there in this way. Tamasa Anyatha Grahana Bijabhutena Baddho Bhavati. Further now, in Tika, Dvitiyam Chodyam Chaturtha Pada Vyakhyanena Pratyakhyati. Now the second question, Dvitiyam Chodyam. What is the second question? That is the second question. How come Turiya doesn't have Anyatha Grahana Agrahana? So that is explained through Chaturtha Pada Vyakhya. Chaturtha Pada Vyakhyanena Pratyakhyati. Pratyakhyati means is answering. Pratyakhyana means to give answer. Yasmat Turiyam Tat Sarvadrik Sada Turiyad Anyasya Abhavat Sarvada Sadaiva iti Sarvam cha Tadrik cha iti Sarvadrik. Yasmat, since Turiyam is Tat Sarvadrik, this is what is said in the shloka. Now what does that mean? Turiya sada, all the time. Turiyad anyasya abhavat. Other than turiya, there is nothing. Turiyad anyasya abhavat. Sarvada sada eva iti. So, sarvadrik means one meaning is sarvam drikshyati, drikshyate iti sarvadrik. But he does the karmadharaya samasa. See, sarvam cha tadrik cha iti sarvadrik. It is all and it is drashta rupa. Actually, even when you say it is drashta, you need drishya. So that's why it is said, drishya also, it turiya alone has become drishya and turiya alone is drashta. Sarvancha tadrikcha iti sarvadrik. And sada, sarvadas, all the time it alone is sarvadrik. Tasmat na tattva grahana lakshanam bijam tatra. Therefore there is no tattva agrahana lakshana bija. In Tika, sadaiva turiyad anyasya abhavat. All the time, because there is nothing other than turiya. Turiyam eva sarvam. Tacha sada drig rupam. Turiya is always drashta rupa, drig rupam iti. Yasmat. Since this is the case, tasmad iti yojana tatra. Further in Tika, paripurnam chidekatanam turiyam paramrishyate. Now, paripurna chaitanya ekarasa is being thought over, paramrishyate. So, the Tika the Karika is explained. Now, further he explains Shabdartha, Padartha Vyakhyanam is over. Now, more he wants to explain. What is that? tat prasutasya anyatha grahanasya api atah eva abhavo. Tat prasutasya anyatha grahanasya. Tat prasuta, so that bija prasuta, avidya bija prasutasya anyatha grahanasya api atah eva abhava. Turiye, in turiye there is no anyatha grahanam, which is arising because of avidya. Nahi savitari sada prakashatmake tad viruddham aprakashanam anyatha prakashanam va sambhavati. Savitari, in the sun, which is always of the nature of illumination, tad viruddham aprakashanam or anyatha prakashanam. The darkness or illumination of the erroneous nature na sambhavati. There is never possible. In Tika, karana bhave karyanupapattehe ityartha. If karana is not there, avidya, karya anyatha grahana also will not be there. Turiye tattvagrahanaanyatha grahanayor asambhavam drishtantena sadhayati. In turiya, tattvagrahana and anyatha grahana abhav is there. Drishtanta is of the sun. Nahi savitari sada, etc. Yattu turiyasya sada drigatmatvam uktam tatra pramanam aha. How do you say turiya is always sarvada drig rupa? In that pramanam is shruti. Nahi drashtur drishter viparilopo vidyate iti shrutehe. What is the pratipadika for drishtehe? Drishti. So, दृष्टि का दृष्टा उसका विपरिलोप नहीं होता. nahi drashtuhu drashtehe viparilopo vidya. Both are in sixth case. So you can say this way also. Drashta ki drashti ka और दृष्टि के द्रष्टा का. Sureshwaracharya ji has given both readings in Vartika on this Vyakhyanam. Very beautiful. Chaturthapadam prakarantarena yojayati. Chaturthapada Vyakhya he does now. अथवा जाग्रत स्वप्नयोः सर्वभूतावस्थः सर्ववस्तुदृक् आभासस्तुरीय एव इति सर्वदृक् सदा. Or alternate reading is, alternate explanation is, Jagrat Swapnayoho of waking and dream, Sarvabhutavastha, Sarvavastudrik. Seventh case you have to take. Of in waking and in dream, in all avastha, Sarvabhutavastha Turiyaha. Sarvasu avasthasu Sarvabhuta avastha. All avasthas which are there. Sarvabhutasu avasthasu yaha vidyate sa sarvabhutavastha. Sarvavastudrik, that which is the illuminator of all. Sarvavastudrik. Abhasaha. Drig abhasaha. Here Abhasa doesn't mean Chidavasa. Illuminator. Turiya eva iti sarvadrik sada. Nanyo ato asti drashtru ityadi shrutehe. Tatrapi shrutim anukulayati. Here also there is shruti. There is no other drashta. This shruti says there is only one Chaitanya. So, only one thing is illuminator of all. There are no divisions. Nanyad ato asti drashtri, shrotri, mantri, etc. Here, drashta is in Napunsakalinga. Therefore, drashtri. Otherwise, trich pratyanta rupa in pullinga will become drashta. Nanyadato stosti drashta shrota. That will become in pullinga. Drashtr is in Napunsakalinga. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.